In the dim light of the studio, I pour my soul on the blank page. Endless colors spinning full of rage. A canvas of dreams, I paint like I'm running from time. Each stroke's a heartbeat, a chaotic ride. Creating where the light get untamed. Crossing lines unspoken, unafraid. Pushing forward, never quite the same. Honest writing, conquering, unchained. I sketch from world raw and profound. Every note echoes a deafening sound. Unbending truth that's deeply bound. Relentless pursuit rushes to swords, daring to climb, breaking rules, painting lies paradigm. Creating where the light get untamed. Crossing lines unspoken, unafraid. Pushing forward, never quite the same. Honest rising, conquering the chain. In this whirlwind, we're timeless free. Breathing visions into eternity. Compelled by fire.